Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today for a quick video on some ceramics coasters that I got from Hobbycraft. I've done a little sketch and Indian themed little Indian lady with some jewelry, and I thought why not put that on there and see how that turns out. So I've used graduate acrylic paints from Daler and Rowney. I really like using these as they're really highly pigmented and they are easily blendable on any surface. So I've used basic colors. I've used blue, burnt umber, yellow ochre and red, and a bit of pale pink on this from PBO paints. And yeah, I thought let me do a full voiceover video since it's been a while, as Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts have taken over. There's not much room for long videos. I guess people don't have the time, but anyway, I thought why not put it out there. I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know if you have any questions, if you have an easier way of doing this, or if you have done this before. Leave me a comment, I'd love to hear. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for joining me. Until then, stay blessed and see you soon. Bye.